There's another one that was a D sharp truck. All right. So I'm doing this song with no capo because not everybody has a capo, and you don't always have a capo. You might be out playing someone else's guitar, they don't have a capo, and I don't want you to say, I can't play this song for you because I don't have a capo. So the way Bob Dylan does it is with a capo on the 7th fret, and he's playing G, C, and D. All right, instead of D, G, and A with the capo on the 7th fret. I just want you to know that. All right, that's why it sounds different when you listen to it, but that was my thinking here. All right, this is pretty close to the strum that Bob Dylan is doing. All right, thumb, strum, thumb up, down, thumb, strum, thumb up, down, thumb, strum, thumb up, down. Thumb, strum, thumb up, down. Alright? It goes with a pick or with your hand. Now, I would probably, if I played this, I'd probably play it leaving out that second thumb. Faster, I think it sounds better like this instead of, sorry, I'm not used to that, too many thumbs. Alright, I'm gonna do it the way I would do it. You can add that other thumb in if you want. Alright, 1, 2, here we go. How many roads must a man walk down before you call him a man? How many seas must a white dove sail before she sleeps in the sand? Yes, and how many times must the cannonball fly before they are forever banned? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. Harmonica. How many years can a mountain exist before it is washed to the sea? How many years can some people exist before they're allowed to be free? How many times can a man turn his head and pretend that he just doesn't see? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Bum, bum, bum. Last verse. How many times must a man look up before he can see the sky? Yes, and how many years must one man have before he can hear people cry? Yes, and how many deaths will it take till he knows that too many people have died? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. All right, so since this is a little more advanced, I want to give you a couple things that he does in the song. So, all right, walk down, G, F sharp, E, but this is still an A. It's an A over an E. All right, so. the next time. All right, let's do the same thing again. Goes to the D the next time, right? You get the idea. That's just a little thing that he does that's very distinctive in this song. All right, enjoy.